Brampton, fly green. Him no friend no feeling. Style to him thing. Not trust some boy. Them a pies with drink.
Lisa, no boy can't say you ever beg him and know your style.
Woo! Okay, so it is election time. That splendid time of year where the Jamaican people get to be treated like college students passing a taxi stand. Oh, no. Talman. You have a Labour Party? No, yeah, brother. A waste man time. So the Prime Minister set the election date for September 3rd, 2020. Now, I am voting yes.
Oh my God! Wow!
As to why me I vote, it might not make a whole heap of sense, but basically I'm wait 4 years for the Olympic Games, and if me gonna miss out on that excitement, I have to just go take this as my 4-year consolation prize.
I run too much joke here, man.
So now that the heat is on, all of the politicians are like, yeah, it's the vote for me. But meanwhile, me just there like,
yeah, it's really the dubs thing for me right now. The dubs are for me right now, yeah.
So the one bag of rhyming kind of start now. I have, you know, Lisa and I jump in now with fair little video what is called Sweeter with Lisa.
Are you from Claremont? Are you from Money? Are you from Pensacola? Yeah. Are you from Beachertown? Everything sweeter with Lisa. Everything sweeter with Lisa. Sessa it's sweeter with Lisa. PNP sweeter with Lisa. Everything sweeter with Lisa.
It that well slap where it well nice. I really have to just thank Lisa for taking that slogan, Sweeter with Lisa, because I can't imagine if she pass up on it and it go drop a Mr. Phillips' foot. Sweeter with Peter.
Something alright, yeah.
Then right after that now she go drop her Shensi a dub.
Lisa, you are independent gal, real number one trending gal. Lisa, you're not dependent gal. Have your own thing now fi boom fence gal. Yeah, independent gal. Lisa, not independent gal.
Oh my gosh, no, come on, Lisa.
Magalan mo come out, comes to this.
Oh gosh, Lisa, like, why are you so strong? Then you have Dr. Nigel Clark with, yeah, you guessed it.
Hey, yes, when you talk about Clarks, you have to talk about Nigel Clark.
Of all of the people that more rush out in this whole entire thing, me never expect for go see Mr. Nigel Clark with theme dub. Like, him seem like a decent, you know, law-abiding, innocent brother. But him draft a film, draft it on his own.
Nigel step up in a them scheme in a brand new Clarks, pan foot. Every girl pan shoot Nigel a rock brand new Clarks.
Then in the middle of that now you have Mr. Peter Bunting jumping with film Stylogy remix.
Central Manchester, warm to them. Yo, Bunting out and stunting. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Comrade gal them jumping. Action ready for the dumping.
Yo, this have a buzz still in it. This have a buzz still in it. This have a buzz still in it.
P-side.
P and PNP I am social. Bunting straight.
No, round of applause to Mr. Bunting. The fact that this brother managed to say, yo, this have a buzz, and actually pull it off, make it sound authentic for a man, you know, we're mature. Commendable. May I have to give him props for that. Then now we move over to the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness. Now, I kind of feel like Andrew's supposed to do over about this.
Yes, sir. Jamaica.
Because when me hear the song, I feel like me a Carib, and me I get ready to hear the voice was say,
please rise for the national anthem.
the way the competition are going in the streets, I'm going to find a dub. I'm going to drop a dub. Now let me just give you my unwarranted advice, Mr. Holness. Think about, you don't have to go 6. How about drawing for the Honda remix? Yeah? No, wait for me. Draw for the Honda remix with 20. Let me tell you about Andrew. Let me tell you about Andrew. Him Clarks it make news. Anybody? Yeah. Or if you really want to just demolish the competition, Mr. Holness, get Coffee to do your dub. He put the country on lockdown, so the corona numbers get down. If you vote green, better you vote green. And then remember, you know, that your thing is the bell. So why do you not have Spice they are doing bling? You see all of them ideas here that you are getting for free. Feel free to contact me. I'm available to do, like, you know, political campaign ads, the editing that you're targeting against like your rival. I'm able to do all of that. All right. I know I'm going to jump over to the opposition leader, that is Mr. Peter Phillips. No, Mr. Peter Phillips, I know that you want to jump into this entire dub for dub type of selection that is going on, but me I beg you, take down the phone, do not contact Barris Aman. We do not, me no want the Rockaway remix, me no want the Rockaway dub for you right now. Remember the times before the dollar slip away. Those were the days. You're tuned into Suzuki Reggae Top 10 Trail. And a little birdie kinda tell me that Dovey Magnum did some ballo thing for Mr. Phillips. Like, is that for real? That for real?
Don't stop. Oh, what a feeling. The socialist feeling. More I feel everything Peter do. Take care of every youth in the community. Vote me one, vote PNP, we not ready. Put up orange top, nothing boring. Lord God, Peter Phillips so good. Me love how he make the country run like it should. Me can't hold it. Socialist, me can't hold it. Me can't hold it, me a ball out. I regular me a fi ball out. Oh, PNP, party so good be. So me know Peter Phillips a real G. Can't hold it, me a ball out. Love.
It's too much. Excuse me.
Man, you see the dance here, it a go on too bad. So right about now, you have Senator Floyd Green with jumping now with theme TJ or Dub.
Hear me now, Floyd Green. Yo, Southwest St. Elizabeth. Hear me now, Middle Quarters, Knoxwood, Black River. In a we own a lane, now we own a game, so no boy can stall we. Hear me no Barbara Hall, yo Treasure Beach. Hear me no Brampton, Floyd Green. Him no friend no feel link, style to him thing. Not trust some boy, them a pies we drink. Floyd Green on rate you, don't go run your people. No I'm in a lane, St. Elizabeth in a them own a lane, now them own a game, so no boy can start.
When? Who spot our time? Who spot?
No man, I don't know if it's said, but in the early part, me did feel like say it was the PNP people them who did win this whole entire clash. But it looked like say JLP people them get the memo and decided to put on the pressure. So there came now, me don't know if Christopher Martin was doing like a little a 2-for-1 dub special.
See that?
So Orlando Terrelang and Jesus P, I always forget the brother name. The brother name and him have Mr. Nesta Carter, Nesta Morgan, Nesta Marley, Nesta Morgan, yes. Who?
Martin and Dawson to the fullest for the General Orlando Thurlong, you know what I mean? East Central St. Catherine, stand up. Nesta your dad's in my J. Hear this. Nesta from your little under country, me know you did a go far. No me knock. Orlando from your little underground spend, me know you did a go far. No people never see nothing but you see a star. See your name in bright lights and face in cinemas. Them used to say your chest high, but look at you now, look at you now.
Light on the place,
No, Christopher Martin, you realize the two brother them come to you and ask if you're dub and you really do the same exact song, go give them Jesus P man, but you know sir, you're also smart enough. You're also smart enough, Mr. Martin, because we understand so no stage show now go on, so you just kind of smooth in the thing and make a little money. Me can't run you, me literally can't run you. And also you had Mr. Norman don't know, him go retro old school with Bam Bam Dub.
Bam bam, what a bam bam. No man run there for a prosperity. He made the place pretty like a rose. And if you see your PNP did I run this, everybody would have voted for show. But we know what we know.
Alright, we can't complain about that one. It have a vibe and it also tell a message. And in the middle of this, the Kingston Mayor, Mr. Delroy Williams, him could get a alkaline dub endorsement and a daddy one endorsement.
From here the first to know that the one bro, because I'm representing of Delroy Williams in a aka Feder. You know the thing going a 6 read, like all the time. Custom!
I mean, I say a man himself I represent for the Mayor Kingston and St. Andrew. One and only Delroy Williams.
Like, wow. And I kind of noticed that there are some candidates, some political officials that me don't see enter the chat all now. So right there, me call up Miss Babsy Grange. I want you forget a Cardi B, Meg the Stallion, WAP dub. There's some votes in this lane. There's some votes in this lane. WAP! And then for Raymond now, him can get theme slogan. Yeah man, Raymond have to win. Me not ask.
Price.
That was so stupid. That was so bad. Or maybe we can just go with like The Price is Right. Something like that. I don't know. I don't know. Why? Whew. Link Shelley and Fraser. Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, you have to jump in and intervene right now because it need you. And what I want, you need to get a ding dong dub. Right now, you can't even drop for low me no, cause right about now deeper things that may reach you like you might just want to drop low me no, you know, or you could have said vote me no, hey, vote me no, yeah.
That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
And then now finally I have Crystal Tomlinson.
Hi, I am Crystal Tomlinson, and I'm your candidate for West Rural St. Andrew.
Crystal Tomlinson, you have to go draw for the dub that you can get for free, because you have to be cost effective and show. We say, you know, you have to kind of take care of the budget and them things there. And so just draw for the Beanie Man dub, easy cheesy. You want a new road? Call she. And you know, some also realize someone has nothing from Damian Crawford, but me can't really complain because he did kind of give a theme dub from well early.
Guess what I could come and live right? Tell them. Me could never agree.
Nah, like, I fear it's just going to sit me never there, so I'm just choke myself.
No, but honestly, talk truth, like right about now, me just enjoy all of the festivities that are in the air. And honestly, me just think so them just need to scrap the whole entire regular voting type of style. Like, they need to bring in like, oh my God, wait, hold on. What about a Jamaican election 2020 versus... No, you honestly hear it here first. Swiss Beats, Timbaland, think about it. Think about it. That is how we will vote the people them in the office, like a dub for dub, a solid dub for dub. Talk about getting young people interested in politics and turning out in numbers to vote. All you have to do is do the dub for dub, put up a Twitter poll, the people them will be there, put it up on Instagram, they will be there, may I tell you right there. That's it. That is how we must vote in with elected officials from now on. Because honestly, like, we don't know where to go. We need a little excitement. Come on, do it for the people. Alright, so that's it, Berritos. We'll come to the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and also to leave a comment, share the video as well, and follow me on my socials. Alright, so more if you tell me like which one of your favorite dub them so far, and will you be voting? That is it. But take me a chat too much right now. Bye bye.